Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to draft a pattern for this baguette bag. If you know this is something you'd really be interested in, please stay tuned while we get into the groove. So the first thing I did was to get an A4 paper. Then I folded it into two equal halves, as you can see in this video, just to get the midpoint. Then after doing that, I worked with one side of the paper. So I measured 5 inches for the width. Then 8 inches for the height. Then I cut out the pattern. After doing that, I measured 6.5 inches at the center. Then I measured 0.5 inches towards the top end corner of the paper. And I made a freehand curve from the center of the paper to where I marked 0.5 inches. You can use a curved object if you have one, but I just did freehand. I also measured 1 inch at the end of the paper and I did a freehand sketch, which I then cut out. So I cut out the down part and the upper part. Afterwards, I measured another 1 inch from that side, like you can see in the video. Then I also made another curve towards the down part of the pattern just to form a curve. So this was what I had after unfolding the paper, and I replicated the pattern on another A4 paper just so that I have two patterns with the same size and measurements. So one will be for the lining while the other would be for the main body of the bag. So the total length from the middle of the pattern to the right end is 4 inches, and I'll be dividing it into 4 to leave me with 1 inch. So I measured 1 inch in 4 different places, as you can see in the video. For the down part, I had to measure the full length, which was 11.5 inches, and I divided the 11.5 inches by 4, so I ended up with about 2.75 inches. So what I did next was to measure 2.75 inches in 4 different spots. Then I connected the upper part of the pattern to the lower part of the pattern, as you can see in the video. I replicated the pattern on the right hand side of the pattern to the left hand side of the pattern. to end up with this. Then I cut out each line, ensuring I leave a little space at the end of the line so that it doesn't come off. I want the papers joined together. Then if you noticed, I did not cut the middle part of the pattern because I want it joined together. I placed the pattern on a new A4 paper and I used sellotape to put it in place so it does not move while I'm working with it. Then I measured 2 inches and hold that down with a sellotape. So I had 2 inches distance from all the lines except the last one, which I used 1 inch for the distance. Then I used sellotape at the down part so it does not move while I work on the other end of the pattern. So I just replicated what I did on the right hand side to the left hand side. Then I traced the new pattern so I can cut it out. Please let me know if you find this video helpful. To check out the full video, please click the link on the top right corner and it will direct you to access the full video.